What is up, guys? Daniel here with ApparelWin, and today I will be taking you guys on a tour of the world's largest fabric market, the Guangzhou Zhongda Fabric Market, guys. As we walk through this bustling market, let's explore some of the main reasons why fashion brands all around the globe and the world come here to source their fabric. First up, variety. Zhongda is a treasure trove of fabrics with options to suit every design and brand vision. You'll find everything from basic cottons and polyesters to luxurious silks and specialty technical fabrics. This variety allows brands to source a full range of textiles in one place. It's convenient, it's efficient, and especially for brands developing multiple types of products. Next up, let's talk cost effectiveness. The scale and competition within this market means that the prices are very competitive. Brands can purchase high-quality materials at lower cost compared to smaller markets or specialty fabric stores. So, for those placing bulk orders, vendors often offer discounts, which helps brands keep production costs down without sacrificing quality. And speaking on the topic of quality, quality is another major draw. The vendors here are skilled in sourcing and producing high-grade materials, from finely woven cottons to durable polyesters. Many suppliers are willing to provide samples so you can test the fabric quality before placing your large bulk order, ensuring that you're getting the material that you need and that meets your standards. Finally, Zhongda offers flexibility for brands of all sizes. Whether you're a large company ordering in bulk or an emerging brand looking for small quantities, there's something for everybody, guys. Many suppliers are open to smaller MOQs, making this market accessible to brands of any size. Also, guys, ApparelWin's showroom and workspace are located right next to the market. After sourcing, you're welcome to come on by, review your materials, and even start the production process right away. Plus, if you order with ApparelWin, we offer free fabric sourcing services. Yes, our reputation allows us to get free fabric books and high-quality fabrics at competitive prices, helping you make your styles quickly and efficiently. So if you're looking for variety, quality, and affordability, Guangzhou Zhongda Fabric Market is the place to go.
For like a higher quality shop.
It's kind of cool.
This one's pretty nice, yeah.
Yeah, you can have this one.
Yeah, because here, flip it and then compare. But I like the wide, the big lines. Oh yeah, look. If you look at this where you stretch it. But yeah, that's nice. This is very nice. Gotta feel everything. It's like foam.
What?
Look at that. That's cool.